Learn every day for a better life. Today, we'll be discussing how to become a successful real estate agent. Real estate can be a lucrative career, but it can also be a challenging field to navigate. However, with the right strategies and mindset, you can succeed in the industry. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips from experts on how to become a successful real estate agent. Whether you're new to the field or looking to take your career to the next level, stay tuned for valuable insights. Tip 1. Build a strong professional network. One of the most crucial aspects of succeeding in the real estate industry is building a strong professional network. As a real estate agent, you'll be working with different people, including buyers, sellers, attorneys, lenders, and other agents. It's essential to establish and maintain good relationships with these individuals to grow your business. You can join professional organizations like the National Association of Realtors, NAR, and attend networking events to expand your network. Building relationships with other professionals in the industry can lead to more business opportunities, referrals, and clients. Tip 2. Stay up to date with industry trends. The real estate industry is constantly evolving, with new trends and technologies emerging. To stay ahead of the curve, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest developments in the field. This includes attending industry conferences, reading trade publications, and taking continuing education courses. You can also keep up with trends by following top real estate blogs and social media pages. Being informed allows you to provide your clients with relevant and current advice, which can set you apart from your competitors. Tip 3. Develop strong communication skills. Effective communication is a critical component of success in the real estate industry. You'll need to communicate effectively with your clients, colleagues, and other professionals. This includes active listening, asking the right questions, and providing clear and concise information. Developing strong communication skills can help you build better relationships with clients, which can lead to more referrals and repeat business. You can also communicate through different channels like email, social media, and video calls to enhance communication. Tip 4. Use technology to your advantage. Technology plays a significant role in the real estate industry. There are numerous apps, software programs, and other tools available that can help you streamline your workflow and improve your efficiency. For instance, you can use tools like customer relationship management, CRM, software, virtual tours, and video conferencing to enhance your business operations. By utilizing technology, you can save time and increase your productivity, which can lead to more success in your career. Tip 5. Always put your clients first. Your clients are the reason you're in business, so it's essential to prioritize their needs and goals above all else. This means being honest, transparent, and responsive throughout the buying or selling process. By providing exceptional customer service, you'll be more likely to earn their trust and loyalty. You can also personalize your services and provide value-added services to enhance the customer experience. Always keep in mind that happy clients can lead to more business opportunities, referrals, and repeat business. Tip 6. Build a strong online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for success in the real estate industry. You can build your online presence by creating a professional website, using social media, and utilizing search engine optimization, SEO, techniques. By having a strong online presence, you can attract more clients and establish yourself as a reputable and trustworthy real estate agent. Tip 7. Have a solid business plan. Creating a solid business plan can help you define your goals and strategies for success. You should outline your target market, marketing strategies, financial goals, and business operations. A business plan can also help you track your progress and make adjustments as needed. You can seek guidance from experienced real estate agents or business coaches to develop a solid business plan. Tip 8. Embrace continuing education. Continuing education is essential for staying up to date with industry trends and regulations. As a real estate agent, you're required to complete a certain number of continuing education credits to renew your license. However, embracing continuing education can also help you improve your skills and knowledge, which can enhance your business operations. You can take courses on topics like real estate law, marketing, and technology to enhance your skills and knowledge. Tip 9. Be resilient. The real estate industry can be unpredictable, with ups and downs in the market. To succeed, you need to be resilient and adapt to changes in the industry. You may face challenges like slow periods, difficult clients, or intense competition. However, being resilient can help you weather these challenges and come out stronger on the other side. You can seek guidance from mentors or other successful real estate agents to learn how to overcome challenges. Tip 10. Cultivate a positive mindset. Finally, cultivating a positive mindset is essential for success in the real estate industry. You may face rejection, setbacks, or negative feedback, but it's important to maintain a positive attitude. A positive mindset can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals, even during challenging times. You can cultivate a positive mindset by practicing gratitude, affirmations, and visualization techniques. In conclusion, becoming a successful real estate agent requires a combination of skills, strategies, and mindset. By building a strong professional network, staying up to date with industry trends, developing strong communication skills, using technology, building a strong online presence, you can succeed in the real estate industry. We hope these tips from experts have been helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to make your life better.